to our guide on InfoDrainage, regionalization, and rainfall methods. InfoDrainage is designed to accommodate various standards and practices from around the world, making it adaptable to local requirements. Let's explore how you can customize your projects to fit regional standards. Regionalization in InfoDrainage lets you tailor your project settings to meet local requirements. This includes configuring units of measurement and selecting appropriate rainfall methodologies based on your project's location. You can easily switch between different unit systems and rainfall data sources. To efficiently manage design storms for your drainage projects, InfoDrainage offers a dedicated section that supports a broad range of rainfall event types tailored to different regions. This includes methodologies suited for various countries: FSR and FEH for the United Kingdom, NOAA and SCS for the United States, Australia rainfall and runoff for Australia, debord rainfall for France, Chinese rainfall for China. Additionally, there is an option to use user-defined rainfall for a custom approach. To configure regional preferences, navigate to the Preferences dialog and explore the Regionalization tab. Here you can adjust units and select the appropriate rainfall methodologies for your project's location. For example, you might switch from metric to imperial units or choose specific rainfall data for a particular country. The Rainfall Manager in InfoDrainage allows you to work with methodologies like FSR and FEH, which are crucial to accurate runoff calculations. FSR, the Flood Studies Report, developed in the 1970s, uses historical data from 1941 to 1970 and it's ideal for shorter storm durations. FEH, the Flood Estimation Handbook, introduced in 1999, relies on more recent data from 1961 to 1990 and is better suited for longer rainfall events. In the Rainfall Manager, you can create and customize design storms using these methodologies. For FSR, you input parameters based on historical data to match specific durations and return periods. For FEH, you can import data from CSV or XML files, including location-specific constants to tailor the rainfall depths for different areas. To create a new design storm, select the methodology you need and input the required parameters. You can save the design storms you create and use them across multiple projects. This feature improves efficiency by allowing you to apply your custom storm designs to different projects without having to recreate them each time. By selecting the appropriate methodology and configuring your design storm parameters, you ensure that your rainfall models are accurate and aligned with local and global standards.